Get started building your task-specific knowledge by learning how to navigate the purchasing menu in Dynamics 365 Business Central. From vendors and item charges to purchase quotes, purchase orders, and purchase invoices, we'll show you how to access key data and functionalities in the purchasing menu. There are multiple ways to access the purchasing functions from your Business Central home screen. You can either click on the purchasing drop-down in the navigation bar, or head into the Role Center for a more comprehensive view of the full list of purchasing options. Additionally, you can bookmark your most used purchasing pages, such as vendors and items, so they appear in your navigation menu, or select from available actions, such as purchase quote, purchase order, and purchase invoice. First in the list of options on the purchasing menu is the vendors list. From here you can access and edit your list of vendors, as well as add new vendors, delete old vendors, pay vendors, and create new purchase invoices, purchase orders, and purchase credit memos. Below vendors, you can access and review incoming documents, as well as the item charges page. Next are three of the most important purchasing functions: purchase quotes, purchase orders, and purchase invoices. On these pages, you can review your respective records as well as create new records, delete records, release, post, and print. The purchasing menu also allows you to access your blanket purchase orders, as well as purchase credit memos and purchase return orders. The final section in the purchasing menu gives you access to your posted purchase invoices, posted purchase credit memos, posted purchase receipts, and posted purchase return shipments, where you can review posted records. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to navigate the purchasing menu in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have any questions, you can enter them in the comments below, or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.